You probably already see how AI could improve your company, but you still need to convince others. You need support, you need a budget. So, how to make things happen? Use Lighthouse Project. A Lighthouse Project is a small, real implementation, not a slide deck, not a product demo that is far away from reality. It is a working slice of the future that you can test in your own context before you scale. It serves 3 goals. First, prove the idea works in practice. Second, show real value with hard numbers, so each team sees the impact for itself. Third, build trust in the solution and in the team delivering it, your team. A Lighthouse Project helps you win support across departments. Instead of changing everything at once, you show one clear example, one small change that truly matters, and you let the results speak. When it's useful, 2 quick scenarios. First, let's imagine AI for quality assurance in customer conversations. You want to check whether each call includes the key elements and whether the salesman missed anything important. A Lighthouse Project shows your team that AI makes their work easier, it doesn't replace them. It also sets expectations, what a real agentic system can do and how that differs from a simple chatbot. People see it working in their workflow, not in lab. Number 2. An AI sales assistant that supports customers through the buying journey. This often triggers concerns: legal compliance, brand safety, and the risk that conversion could drop. So you launch one selected purchase paths only, you track the data, and if conversions goes up and risks are controlled, you have the evidence, not opinions. So how is a Lighthouse Project different from a proof of concept? A proof of concept asks, can this work technically? A Lighthouse Project goes further. Scope can be larger and the goals are broader. You design for internal understanding and buy-in. That needs to be in plan from day one. So what does success looks like? Success is when other teams start asking, can we do the same in our area? Momentum pulls you forward instead of you pushing uphill. How do you set it up to win? Start with an internal champion, someone who believes in the project and wants to make it happen. In practice, champion uses Lighthouse Project as a tool to explain, sell, and scale the change. Maybe that champion is you. Next, speak each department's language. For finance, show return of investment with before and after numbers, define the baseline, measure the impact, be very specific. For legal and compliance, prove alignment with policy and law. Document data handling, guardrails, and audit trails. Address risks openly. For operations and delivery, show where time is saved, where quality improves, and how the process becomes more reliable. For sales and marketing, show conversion lift, shorter cycles, or higher average order value, whatever matters most in your funnel. What about size and budget? As a rule of thumb, target 10 to 20% of the full rollout budget. It depends on what you want to prove. Keep it focused. One outcome, one clear story. A Lighthouse Project also reduces the cognitive budget. People don't have to imagine the future, they can see it. One concrete example makes the conversion simple and practical. So, let's sum this up. A Lighthouse Project is a working pilot. Small enough to move fast, strong enough to prove value. It earns trust with evidence, it creates pull from other teams, and it's especially powerful for AI, because AI is easiest to understand when you experience it in your own context. And if you're considering a Lighthouse Project to win support for AI in your organization, but you're not sure where to start, reach out. We'll be happy to help you plan it and de-risk it. For more practical guidance on implementing AI that works, subscribe to our channel. See you soon!